support. This is a complimentary facial with UrbanSkinRX. I'm really excited. I desperately need it. I don't know if you guys can tell what's going on over here, but I'm excited, and hopefully they'll let me vlog this for you guys. If not, I'll check in right after my experience, and of course I'll let you guys know.
Clarifying back and body spray, and this is not a toner. Like when you spray this, you're going to feel a tingle and sometimes even a sting, and that's normal. It's a 10% glycolic acid and 2% salicylic acid. So this is meant for that back acne, butt acne, shoulder, chest. You know, it really exfoliates, clarifies, dries up pimples. And then the third thing, which I'm the most proud of, is our even tone smoothing body treatment. So this is that fading serum for the full body. At the end of the day, the skin on the body is thicker, and you do have to be patient even with how powerful these products are, and you will see they're powerful. Like, you're gonna get some peeling after a couple weeks, you're gonna feel some stinging, but even with that said, you still need to be patient because the body does take longer to improve scarring.
The one you do at home is excellent for product penetration, so you're supposed to get an 80% better absorption of your products when you microneedle first.
Greetings, people. So I wanted to jump on here really quickly. It's Tuesday. I was in Long Island since last Thursday, right after the UrbanSkinRX event, and I'm finally back in the city. I'm excited to get back into my routine. It's been an emotional past couple of weeks, but here we are. So I actually have a reading tonight. It's a private reading for my friend's feature film script, so I'm really excited about that. I have about 10 minutes before I actually have to leave, and I realized that I never really got a chance to talk to you guys a little bit more about the event, so I figured I'd do that right now before I head out. So as you saw, I had like the most amazing facial at the event. I tried microneedling for the very first time, which initially I was very nervous about because I wasn't sure if there was downtime or if like my skin would get super red, because sometimes it's very sensitive. But actually I was fine, and now I just cannot wait to incorporate it into my skincare routine. And they actually gave me one for me to try. So this is what the little box looks like, and I'm gonna start using this tonight. I'm excited to see how my skin looks after using it. They talked a lot about their body collection, which comes out in October, which I'm really excited about. In the goodie bag, which there's so many products in here, I thought that we were going to get the entire collection, but we didn't. The only thing that we got for the body collection was the clear and even tone cleansing bar, and this thing looks exactly the way that the one for the face works. So you just take the little round sponge and you wet it and you put it in here, and you just keep going like that until it kind of creates a lather, and then you just put that all over your body. So we got that. We also got the even tone supplements, which I was so excited about. This is what I was eyeing the entire time that I was there, so I'm excited to start using this into my routine. And we also got the Hydra Brightening Serum. I've been using this every single day since I got it on Thursday, and I really love it. It is extremely hydrating, and it absorbs into the skin very quickly. And then the other thing that I've been using every single day since Thursday is the Vitalize Retinol Vitamin C Complex Eye Serum. This one has caffeine and hyaluronic acid. This is something else that I was eyeing while I was there, so I was happy to find this in my bag. The other thing that we got was the Derma Peel Kit. I've never tried this. I'm terrified to try this on my skin because, like I said, I'm pretty sensitive, and I just never really know how my skin is going to react. So this is a two-step system. This is what the outside of the box looks like. And you pull this out, and this is the little razor right in here. And then what you do is you just use this on your face to remove, you know, hair, that layer of dead skin, etc. And then you go in with these chemical peel pads, which they actually used on my face, and it was tingling, but I'm one of those psychos that loves the tingle. Like it's not like a sting that hurts. The tingle makes me feel like it's working, so I love that, and I'm so excited that it's in here, so I'm going to try that. I don't know when I'm going to try this little guy here. I just want to show this one more time so you guys can see. I'm going to take it out of the little plastic. This little razor is really, really, really tiny. So I don't know when I'm going to try that, honestly, because I do use the Flawless Face little face thingy. And even sometimes with that, like, my skin just, I don't know, it gets really irritated. I'm excited to try all of these things. Oh, one other thing. Okay, I can't forget this because I was really excited about it. We actually got to keep the robe that we were wearing when we got our facial. And I can tell that I was like really surprised by that, and everybody was like laughing at me because I had stepped out after my facial to take pictures outside. And then when I went back inside, the room that I was in, the door was closed. I knocked on the door and I was like, oh, I just want to give you the robe back. And they're like, no, that's for you. And I was like, what? You sure I get to keep what? This robe is for me? Like, I don't know, I just think that's a really nice touch. You saw me wearing it, but I guess I'll just show it to you right now. In the back it says Glow Getter, and yeah, it's just this really nice simple silver satin little robe. So I just thought that was a really nice little touch there. Also, by the way, I really love how my makeup came out. Something you guys may not know about me, for years I never used liquid foundation. I always just spot concealed and used a powder because my skin is that sensitive, and powder was just the best thing to keep me matte and to like not make me break out. But over the past two and a half years, I was experimenting with liquid foundation. That may be another reason why I was breaking out. But anyway, I wanted to find a really good powder one. Usually I use Clinique Stay Matte or the Bare Minerals, but those are just a little bit too dark for me right now. I didn't get as tan as I normally do in the summertime, so I really wanted to try the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. So of course I picked it up while I was out in Long Island, and I got the shade Y375, and I'll just show you what it looks like inside, the color. So here is the color right here, and this is the sponge. So for light coverage you use the white side, and for like full, like medium to full coverage, you use the darker, the black side. So I tried it out today. I do like it. Granted, I'm not going to be out for an exceptionally long period of time. This apparently has a 12-hour, you know, staying power. So not a full day of testing it out, but nonetheless, I do like how my skin looks. And your skin does feel like very velvety, even like when you're putting it on. Just the way that it feels when you put it on is really, really nice. So I don't know, you know, just want to try it out. Just want to throw that out there. Let me know if you tried this guy and how you like it and all that stuff. But so far, just one day, just like an hour and a half of wearing it, I do like it. So we'll see how I feel by the end of the night, and also like, you know, using it for like an entire day. But anyway, I'm talking too much and I really need to get out of here because I want to get to the studio on time. I hate being late, and the trains are always a freaking disaster. You just never know when you're gonna get. This is our impromptu anniversary lunch.
To me, I planned everything out.
On our actual anniversary. We almost never do anything on our actual anniversary. Today we are out enjoying NoHo. And then I'm going to take him to, I think it's called Kiss, right? I think he'll like it.